Here's an Inchline Plus.
Showing up.
I like these cabs. I think the office cars are the low rise. Where is the floor indicator?
Let's just take one of these down and.
I bet you it is behind us. I want to like. That's stupid. Is it behind it? Can't see.
No.
So that's just stupid. A floor indicator would be nice.
20th floor.
This has the voice announcement.
At least it's not key carded. Then these would be completely stupid.
Holy shit, this is a hole.
Look, wait. Really? No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it does not lead into the elevator hoistway, silly.
But it leads into the back box of the tubing.
Wait, stop checking that, you fool.
Key cabinet. That's interesting. Well, that one's open too. Key cabinet.
Lobby.
So there's indicators on the outside, but not the inside. That makes sense. Let's see what brand they are, judging by what it says in the express zone. M. Is there an indicator in that one?
No.
Anyway, well, you guys have fun with that. There they go. That will be it. And there they